Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this. I'm pretty excited to unbox this one for you guys to check it out. This one is the DJI OSMO Momo 3-axis gimbal handheld. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. By the way, the seller was selling this for 125 bucks plus $11.80 to ship. So I communicated with him to go a little bit lower, so I request for 115 bucks. So he agreed. So I pay 115 plus $11.80 to ship it, and it's supposed to be in excellent condition. So let's go ahead and then check this out. And this one is for your mobile phone mountable gimbal. Okay, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I just got this from the U.S. Postal Service carrier. She has ring the doorbell because I need to at least require a adult signature. So I just signed this for it. Hopefully there's no invoice. Wow. I told him to pack it pretty well. I guess he packed it pretty well. Wow, look at this. I guess it's leftover from his Christmas gift wrap or something. Has green tissue paper, red, broken styrofoam. Wow. Give me a wow. 2 of the reusable bags. Nice. What is this? Anyway, let's untie this. This one bag. Oh my goodness. It's a second bag. Hey, the bag itself costs 99 cents. I mean, what about 99 cents? There's another one. What the heck? So here you go, guys. Wow, I didn't know it was this big. So here it is, guys. DJI OSMO Mobile. Cover the serial number. Let's go check it out, guys. It's this tab right here. You pull it out. This box is tricky. What? Am I doing upside down or what? So I got this Osmo quick start guide. Osmo shield. Osmo in the box. So it comes with the mobile phone gimbal, intelligent battery, power cable, wrist strap, carrying pouch, and what's that one? We'll say protection cap. So hopefully everything is there. I'm going to check it. And this one talk about the intelligent battery. Wow, so small. I need like a magnifying glass. And the last one is the disclaimer and safety guideline for the Osmo Mobile. I don't think the previous owner even read this instruction. It looks pretty new. So let's go ahead and check this one out. This is the charging cable or the adapter from USB to the 3.5 millimeter jack. This is the gimbal right here. So let's inspect it real quick. So it's supposed to be excellent condition. So there's a charging port right there, the 3.5 millimeter jack. Your on and off switch right here. This is joystick. Record button. I'm not sure what's this one. Probably to move around. Oh no, this is probably to reverse it. And then there's a push button right here as well. Also, the battery is in here already. Hopefully the guy charges it for me. So this is the battery, DJI. Got your metal contact right there, the copper contacts. So there's a red clip right here. You push it and the battery comes out. By pushing it locks in. And then there's a tab right here for you to pull it out. And to close it, you need to push it and then lock it. Oh yeah, I gotta put the smartphone in there, or it's not gonna detect the phone. Anyway, so you press on and press off. You need to hold it for 2 or 3 seconds. Okay, and this is your other attachment if you want to put it, or your tripod mount hole. Right there. Oh, before I forget, I forgot to show you guys the pouch that comes with it. It's on the top right here. Wow. So I guess the owner or the previous owner never used it. It's still brand new. Oh, there is the wrist strap right here. So yeah, he never used it. And you got like two of this mesh looking like, but it doesn't see through. Okay, there's a padding right here. So this is a pretty nice case. So you can store your cables or whatever stuff that you want to store over here. All right. Then they come with this heavy duty zipper. And there's a wrist strap right here as well. Some people they have problem with it after they upgrade the software or something. So we'll see. So anyway, this is my unboxing for this DJI OSMO mobile gimbal. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and then share this with your friend and family on social media, and drop any other comments on below. All right, I will do hopefully I'll do some review on this unit and let you guys know. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys.